Hi there! In this video, I would like to show you how to delete health data on iPhone. Firstly, go ahead and open settings on the phone and now scroll all the way down to find this last section, apps. After that, go through the list to find your health app. And now I want you to go in data access and devices. Then tap on health on the top and you will see this red option, delete all data from health. So you can click it, and now if you really want to delete health data on your phone, then tap this red option again to permanently delete it. And that's all. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.